Guys, I just want to show you this structure, which is mine, and just want to explain how to get a decent door and as well as a decent right panel with the right continuity across the panels and with the right highlights across the panels. Okay, so this is what you want to make before proceeding. Okay, look at it from the bottom, from the right view, and so we have tangent lines 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Those are tangent lines, and in the course I explained to you how to create them. Okay, and so all you need to do once you get that done is 1, 2, select 3, 4, there's 5 curves, then loft and hold down the shift key and pick the guide here, right click to confirm, and let me move this away from here. And one thing I want to emphasize is the shape of this curve here, because that's where you're making mistakes. This curve here, let me draw a straight line following the purple line. Okay, this is a straight line, and just take a look at this, the difference between the two curves. This curve starts straight and it goes slightly down here, goes slightly down, then we have a tangency here, and from there another curve, and this curve being tangent go even this curve go slightly down, following along the highlights of the door. And so I just wanted to emphasize this curve and compared to a straight line. Okay, you can see the difference. You want to draw this curve here exactly like this. This curve is the key. So let me delete this. Once you lofted the door, and you can use the patch tool and go to vertex mode and make sure that all the connection points are kind of greenish, or someone says bluish, I don't know, greenish. Okay, greenish here, greenish here, greenish here, greenish here, greenish here, here. Okay, and all you need to do is select this guy, then this curve, this curve, this curve. Take a look at this curve from the bottom. As you can see, sorry, this curve here. As you can see, it's pretty much straight. Okay, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then run the patch command. And sorry, what I wanted to emphasize is the zebra pattern. I'm going to show you how to slightly improve the zebra texture in order to improve the reflections, you know. And so let me select this again, this again, this, and this. Run the patch command. Okay, now you press tab once, so you'll get G1, and you'll get G1 because we have a tangency between these two curves, and between these two. Okay, otherwise you would get an error. So we have G1 here, and down here we have the patch hole active, and you can increase the tolerance to improve your reflections or zebra texture. Just increase just like this, then hold down the shift key and pick this guide here. Boom. And as you can see, now we have, as you can see, we have a much better black lines. Okay, you can try to increase this even further. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then click right click, okay, to confirm. So next, I'm going to delete this curve. You don't want to patch with a curve here because we need G1 here. And if you leave the curve here, you're not gonna get G1. So select this curve, hide or delete it. And then select the curve, select this curve, this one, and this one, and run the patch command. Okay, now we have G0, G0, G0. We need to tell plasticity we want G1. Just press tab key once. Okay, G1. So now let's increase this tolerance and hold down the shift key and pick the tangent line. Boom. So now let's play around with this, guys. Here, tolerance, and yeah, I think we can leave it as it is. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so it's not a G2 surface, but it's perfectly acceptable, guys. And now right click to confirm. Make sure you have G1, G1, G1 here. Right click to confirm, and right click on the sphere here, and let's give it a nice material. And as you can see, we have now continuity between the highlights and continuity between the shape as well. Okay, it follows perfectly the shape of the door. Let's change material. Look at that. Okay, this structure here is what you want to get, guys. And then if you want, I would advise against that, but if you want, you can cut the panel just like that, curve, and run the imprint command on the panel. Sorry, let me undo this. We have already the imprinted curve, so let's select this, Shift D to create a curve, then S, X, and press 0 to flatten this out. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the offset tool. Okay, in the right view, press O, then press tab. This will allow you to create both lines, two lines like this. Okay, and let's rebuild the curves. Then I'm going to select this point, extend the curve, press D, extend the curve, or you wouldn't be able to cut through the panel. Select this point, extend the curve, press D, there we go, and then select this curve, press C, and select the door. Do the same with this, press C, select the panel, and now you can delete everything, this, and this, and there we go. This is the panel you want to get, guys. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and have fun.